country. It is an exciting moment. We are flipping ecstatic. We are getting the forklift ready, getting it started, because in that truck right there is our new J150. This is gonna be awesome. We're super excited to see this thing. I'll let you see it once we get it out. There's the box. Crazy. The whole crew's here to see this momentous moment happen. See you later. Thanks for the delivery. Charger. 3 batteries. And the thing we're all waiting for. The new drum. Hey. These batteries are about twice as big as the old ones. Just because about everything on this drone is about twice as big as the old ones. Oh, that thing.
Ah, J100, J150.
That's crazy. Oh man. Here goes nothing. In the unveiling. Oh my goodness. This thing is flipping huge.
Pull this thing on out of there.
Wow. That's my hand compared to it.
Oh. Okay, there's the manual and stuff.
Gee, that's awesome. Super huge. The J150.
It's fully charged.
Hey guys, first time we're turning on my new J150. That was it. It's on. Oh, it's on. So we're just gonna, for the first one, we're just gonna spool it up, not take off, and we're just gonna spool it down and stop it before it even gets off the ground. Mission complete. Okay, so we are about ready. We just spooled it up, spooled it back down. Now we're gonna take off for the first time in manual mode with the EAVision J150.
That's pretty quiet.
Success.